Nakasalay
So, for example, this is about writing a persuasive essay. So, a teacher will be the model of how to write a persuasive essay. So, siya ang mag-guide sa student, siya ang mag-hatag ng feedback, mga suggestions, gana. Another example is creating a logo. So, for example, sa among ROTC, namin batch t-shirt. So, among batch t-shirt, dapat na siya logo. So, among president po yung naghimo sa among batch t-shirt sa logo. So, among company commander, siya may mag-guide sa among president kanya nito paghimo sa logo, mo niya tinutang sa iyahang, na. So, communities of practice, the core concept is in social cultural theory, thrive on 8 characteristics. First is the mutual engagement. So,
Through participation and the community members establish norms and build collaborative relationships.
So, mutual engagement, when people work together collectively and with both process and the products. So, for example, brainstorming, para sa mga na, di ba, nag-share mo inyong mga ideas, mga different perspectives. Even sa online gaming, di ba, kanang team mo, magmula, gusto mo yung online pwede siya
Mobile Legend.
Di ba, magsabot mo anak ng siya, kinsay mo na, para ma-building ninyo ang kumula. So next is the joint enterprise. So
Through the interactions, they create a shared understanding of what binds them together.
So, joint enterprise, through interaction, members develop a shared understanding of their goals and purpose, uniting them in a common moving forward. So, for example, I go with friends, si RJ and si Mike. So, they decided na mangawat o car. So, then nagplano na sila. So, yun.
Dangan ko ng video ron.
RJ get the goals, important goals. All Mike drive the getaway car. So, ang gawa, nag-guilty sila kung gano'ng nangawat sila. Kaya even though, si Mike naman dito tang nangawat. Kaya si RJ, nagwala ko sa tuloy, si Mike yung pinagwan. So, siya RJ nangawat. Pero kaya sila man doon ang plano, they are, so kaya sila man doon ang plano, so there's no cover up, stop trying to lang mo. So, next is the shared repertoire. So,
The community produces a set of communal sources. Communal.
Shared repertoire, the community develops a collection of resources, knowledge, and tools that are accessible to all members, fostering collective learning and growth. So, for example, a team working on a project. So, dapat mag-share sila understanding ng mga projects, ay mga methods, goals, resources, gana. So, kaya nag-share naman sila. So, dali na nila mga project. Malimo na nila o kanang, dali na nila mga project. Then, nag-aari naman sila o nila ang mga iya-iya na learning. So, ano may kalainan sa tulog? Anyone? And you all understanding now. So, ang mutual engagement is that sustains relationship. Now, who we're doing ang sustained relationship. Sustained relationship ang mutual engagement, who we're doing. While ang joint enterprise is the shared ways of engaging what we're doing it. What
Examples of learning environments aligned to social perspectives. Collaborative, authentic activities. Real-world problem solving through teamwork. Students collaborate on practical tasks, developing critical thinking and cultural skills with teachers' guidance.
So, collaborative, authentic activities, students work together to solve real-world problems, applying their knowledge and skills in a meaningful context. So, for example, atong film making ato, di ba, ang issue ato is about sa so, filmmaking. So, nag-kwento tato, nagkinabangay kita ato from script writing, then pag-edit na, pag-shooting. So, nagyapon siya collaborative authentic activities kaya nagkinabangay ng mga anak ha. Film. So, next is the project-based learning. So, can we
Engage learners in collaborative situations where they must address a complex problem or real-world challenges.
According to Vygotsky's ideas, this collaborative learning style naturally fosters students' development of higher-order thinking skills.
So, project-based learning, students engage in extended projects that require them to address complex challenges, fostering critical thinking and collaboration. So, for example, imagine you and your team are planning to study the environment. Instead nga mag-research mo or magbasa o mga newspaper para makastudy sa environment, na pansin sa yung team nga ang park nag-need siya of trees for shaded wildlife and clean air. So, nag-research na yun mo kung sa trees ang dahil umutupan ng area. Dahil ang tanong mo o pila o inyong itanungan na o asa banda. But most importantly is mag-ask you for permission kahit di ko mo makabasta-basta o tanong lang rin sa street nila. Ngayon, pag-plan na, nag-working together, nag-pinabangay ka kung mo sa pag-plan. So then, your team will tell others about your project and how trees are important. So, ang format niya, ang inyong na-learn sa inyong team is about ecology, teamwork, planning, and how to make difference in your community. Kaya nakakuha naman mo tree planting at ulang area. So, next is the flip learning environment. And it is
Pedagogic videos before class. Communication and hands-on activities during class, aligning with Vygotsky's theories of cognitive development.
So, students watch instructional videos before class, followed by hands-on experiments. So, a classroom where learning isn't just about listening to the teacher. Instead, you get to explore topics on your own before coming to class. So, nag-experience naman flip learning na maglanto sa mga video ay pag-test pag-opa, wala dahil ang topic. So, pareho po na ng advanced study. Ang advanced study, marami ang teacher ang topic, then yun na siyang studyhan sa inyong bagay. Tapos para pag-uman, nanay, knowledge, ano na topic. So, next is the online, and lastly, the online collaborative spaces. So,
Unite educators' interests in constructivism, psychology, and social learning opportunities.
Also known as
Computer-supported collaborative learning allows students the opportunity to work together in an interactive, flexible online environment.
So, online collaborative spaces, students use online platforms to communicate, share ideas, and collaborate on projects, fostering a dynamic and interactive environment. So, ang kwarta niya di ba, mag-search mo kita, magamit mo kita o online. So, muna siya ang online